Back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Don't forget to share our video, subscribe if you have not subscribed before, and comment if you need to comment. It's very important for direct updates. And also you can reach us on this line just in case you need our online classes. You want to request for online class, both physical and online. You can call us and book time with us, and we'll be fine with it. Mathematics, physics, and chemistry. On this channel we have over 400 videos already. It means you can come here and learn any topic of your choice. Thank you. I have this topic here, which is a measure of spread, which is variation or dispersion. That's what I'm going to be working on. The outline of this video, I'll be working on variance and standard deviation. We have done mean deviation, we have done a range, quarter range in the past. Even there are videos for you on those topics also that to help you more on that part. Now I'll be working on variance, and now before I rub this thing, when I talk about variance is always like this: summation of x minus x bar squared. Now, why my standard deviation, this is standard deviation SD, is divided by what? N. Now, why my standard deviation is summation of x minus x bar squared divided by what? N, or root. That is my standard deviation. Now, for this, we are talking about what? Ungrouped. This is ungrouped. Note that. Ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. This is for ungrouped data. Now, when it is grouped, note, if it is grouped, like you have frequency and you have your hex now, or you have size and frequency, we'll be talking about this equals to summation of f bracket of f minus f bar squared divided by summation of what? F. That is for grouped. And my standard deviation will be equals to summation of f bracket of x minus x bar squared divided by summation of f roots. Now, this is for what? Grouped. Please take note of this. This is for grouped. This is grouped. This is grouped. While this is ungrouped. Please take note of those things. Now, let me cite some example on this part, so that you can be able to understand it very well. Let me show one or two examples for grouped and ungrouped, if time permits me. Okay, let's see this, and let's see how it goes. Don't forget, you can book for our online class. We are ready to teach. We have our system, we have everything to teach you. Now, look at this question. Look at this problem. It's a very simple one. Find the variance and standard deviation of the set of number 2, 5, 6, 3, and 4. Solution to this problem. Let's see how it will go. The first thing I will need to do is that, don't forget that my variance is equals to summation of x minus x bar squared divided by n. Now, don't forget that this is ungrouped information data. Now, it means my hex, which is my mean, this one mean, it will be what? Summation of x divided by what? N, which I will be having 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is I have this one will become 10, which is going to be 20. I have 20 all over 5, which is equals to 4. It means my x bar is 4. Since my x is 4, don't forget my x bar is equals to 4. I can now say that what? I will move on by having x, which is my x will now be, what will it be? My hex are 2, 5, 6, 3, and 4. That is my x. Now, my x minus x bar, which it will be, this time around, I'm talking about 2 minus 4, which is equals to what? 2 minus 4, it will give me minus 5 minus 4, it will give me 1, and 6 minus 4, it will give me 2, and 3 minus 4, it will give me minus 1, and 4 minus 4, it will give me 0. That is my x. Please take note of those things. Now I'll move on to the next one, which I'll have it in my x minus x bar. I need to find the absolute value squared. Here will become 4, 4 rather, and 1 is 0. I just square the numbers that are here. Now the next thing I'm to do now is that since I have that, now I can now say that what the summation of x minus x bar squared will be equals to, we have 8, 9, 10. I have 10, which is going to be 10. Now, since I have 10, I can now continue by saying that that is my table. Now, I can now continue by having my variance will be equals to summation of x minus x bar squared divided by what number, which is my variance will be equals to what is my summation of that, which is 10 all over number is 5, which is there are 5 items which I will be having 2. That is my variance. Now my standard deviation will be equals to root of summation of x minus x bar squared divided by what, n. It means I'm talking about root of 2, which is root of 2. My standard deviation will be root of 2 will be equals to 1.4. That is my standard deviation. Can you see how simple it is? Now with this, let me try to show another example that will help us to understand the part of group data. Okay, look at this problem. Now look at this problem. Okay, look at this. This one, the story is different, because there is frequency. Calculate the variance and standard deviation of a frequency distribution below. This is the value, this is the frequency. Now, how do I go? Solution. I'm looking for standard deviation and variance. And at this point, my variance will be equals to summation of f bracket of x minus x bar squared divided by summation of f. That is how to go about it. Now it means my mean will be equals to, it will be equals to 1 times 2, please stop, summation of f of x divided by summation of f. That is my mean. It implies I'm talking about 1 times 2 plus 2 times 1 plus 3 times 2 plus 4 times 1 plus 5 times 2 divided by f of, it means plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that is what will happen there. It means by so doing that, I will be talking about my mean will be equals to, which is my x bar, will be equals to, we have 2, 2, 6, 4, 10. 2, 2, that will be 4, 10, and 10 plus 10, that will be 24. It will be 24 divided by, we have 8, which I will be having equals to 3. It means my mean equals to what? 3. Now I want to get my what? Let me now go for my table. Now I have my hex as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is my hex. Now, what else did I need to have now? I need to have my, okay, the next thing I need to have is my x minus x bar, which is my x minus x bar will be equals to, we have 1 minus 3, it will be minus 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 3 minus 3 it will be 0, 1, and 2. That is my x bar. Now I can answer that x minus x bar squared, which I will be having 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. Now the next thing I will have my frequency. My frequency is given from here, which I will be having 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now the next thing I will have now is f summation of x bar squared. Now it means I'll be talking about this times this, I'll be having 8. This times this 1, 0, 1, and 8. Now this is what I mean, summation of f of x minus x bar, which is I'll be having, this is going to be 18. 18, that is 18. Now I have 18. I can now look for my variance now. My variance will be equals to summation of f of x minus x bar squared divided by summation of f. Now summation of f minus f bar, okay, it means I'll be having, what is my summation of f? It will be 18, which implies 18 divided by, my frequency is what? Is 8 divided by 8. It means my variance will be equals to 2.25. That is my variance. Now my standard deviation, it means my standard deviation, which is number 2, will be equals to root of variance. Root of variance, which implies root of summation of f bracket of x minus x bar squared divided by what? Summation of f, which I'll just have my SD equals to root of 2.25, which I have 2.25 will be equals to 1 point. It means my SD is 1.5. That is my answer. 1.5, because it's 15 years. 1.5. Now, can you see how simple it is? Can you see how simple it is? I think before I end this, I still have some time. Let me try to show another example that is similar to problems like that. Okay. Look at this question. Now look at this problem. It's a very simple one. And the table shows the scores obtained when a fair die was thrown a number of times. Score, this is our score. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The frequency 2, 5, 8, 11, 9, 10. Now, if the probability of obtaining a 3 is this, find the standard deviation of the distribution. That's what we need to do. Okay, how? I think I need to cut the video too, because let's start from here. Solution to this thing. Now, the first thing I will need to do is that I have to form from the concept of what? Principle of probability. Now, because there's probability that something is happening here, which is what's probability? Probability of obtaining 3 will be equals to frequency of 3 divided by what? Summation of what? F. That is what I'm going to do. It means what's the probability of 3, which is going to be 0.26 equals to frequency of 3, which is going to be x divided by summation of everything, which is 2 plus 5 plus x himself plus 11 plus 9 plus 10, which I will be having 0.26 equals to x divided by, we have this will be 7 plus this, that will be 18 plus 9, that will be 27 plus this, that will be 37. I have 37 plus x, which I cross multiply. I have 0.26 bracket of 3 plus x equals to x, which I will be having, this multiplied by this, it will be 9.962 plus 0.2 equals to x. I want to collect like times. Which I will be having 9.62 equals to x minus 0.26x. Now, by so doing this, I'll be having 0.9.26 to be equals to this minus this, it will be 0.74x. If I go start by 0.74, which this will cancel this. My x will be equals to, okay, it will be equals to 13. Now it means my s equals to 13. Since I have my s as 13, it means I can now say that my standard deviation will be root of summation of f of x minus s divided by summation of f. Now, how do I get my s bar? My s bar is the mean, which is my mean score will now be equals to add up everything, which is 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 5 plus 3 multiplied by 13 plus 4 multiplied by 11 plus 5 multiplied by 9 plus 6 multiplied by 10 divided by, what is the summation of f? Summation of f will be equals to 2 plus 5 plus 13 plus 11 plus 9 plus 10. Now, by so doing this, I think my mean is coming up. Now, my mean will now be equals to, I have 2, I have 10, I have 13 times that will be 39, I have 44, I have which is 60, and now it will be equals to, add up, it will be equals to 200 divided by, this will give us 10, that will be equals to 50, which is, this will be 4. Now, my mean equals to 4. My mean equals to 4. Now, I can now prepare my table. Permit me to rub the, don't forget my s is 3. Let me clean it and put 13 here. My s is equals to 13. My mean is equals to, now, I want to generate the table now so that I'll be able to find my standard deviation. Now, what do I need to? I need my x, I need my x minus s bar, and I need my x minus s bar squared, and I need my f of x minus x bar squared. That is what all I need. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, my x minus this, which is going to be 1 minus 4, it will be minus 3. This one will be minus 2. Minus 1 is 0. 1, 2. My x bar, which is going to be 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. Now, my frequency, oh, I didn't even indicate my frequency. Sorry about that. Let me put my frequency somewhere here. My frequency will be equals to 2, 5, 13, 11, 9, and 10. Now, which I'll be having 18, I'll be having 20, I'll be having 13, 0, 9, and 40. Summation of f of x minus s bar, which is I'll be having if I add up the whole thing, it will be equals to 40, 20, 60, 18. This one will be 20. That'll be this one will be 60. This plus this 27. 27. That'll be 100. It will be equals to 100. Now it means my standard deviation now, which is my standard deviation, my SD will be equals to, my standard deviation will be equals to okay, my standard deviation will be equals to summation of f bracket of x minus s bar divided by what? Summation of f. Don't forget that the roots cover everything. Now it means my standard deviation will be equals to, I have 100 divided by, what is my frequency? My frequency is 50, which you have done that before, is 50. This will cancel, and my SD will be equals to 2. That's my answer. My SD equals to 2. Okay, I think by now you should be able to understand variance and standard deviation. Just in case you need any problem, if you have any problem, you can comment below, for any update, and also you can also request for any of our video. Once again, I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching.